In this segment, we delve into the importance of embracing seasonal eating habits for our overall well-being. Seasonal foods not only pack more nutrients, but also retain their freshness, enhancing their health benefits. By consuming foods that align with the seasons, we nourish our bodies with what they naturally crave, promoting holistic health. This approach fosters a deeper connection with nature and encourages a balanced and harmonious lifestyle. Exploring the benefits of eating seasonally reveals a myriad of advantages. Seasonal foods, perfectly timed with nature's cycles, deliver a harmonious blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that cater to our body's natural nutritional requirements. By aligning our diet with the seasons, we tap into a holistic approach that not only nourishes our physical well-being, but also promotes a sense of balance and harmony within. Embracing seasonal eating is not just a dietary choice, but a lifestyle that nurtures both our bodies and our connection with the environment. Incorporating seasonal foods into your diet is a practical way to elevate your culinary experience and boost your health. By offering tips on how to seamlessly incorporate seasonal produce into meals, this approach allows you to enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich foods that align with the current season. Learning how to shop for seasonal foods ensures that you are making mindful choices that support both your health and the environment. Emphasizing the importance of meal planning based on seasonal availability enables you to maximize the nutritional benefits of the foods you consume, enhancing your overall well-being. Exploring recipes using seasonal ingredients offers a delightful journey into the world of flavorful and nourishing dishes. By showcasing delicious and nutritious recipes featuring seasonal produce, viewers can discover new ways to incorporate fresh ingredients into their meals. Demonstrating how to cook simple yet satisfying dishes with seasonal foods empowers individuals to create wholesome meals that burst with natural goodness. Encouraging viewers to unleash their creativity in seasonal cooking sparks inspiration and a sense of culinary adventure, transforming everyday dining into a vibrant and enriching experience. As we conclude this exploration of seasonal eating for holistic wellness, it's essential to recap the key benefits of aligning our diets with the changing seasons. Prioritizing seasonal eating not only enhances our health but also fosters a harmonious relationship with nature and our bodies. I encourage you to make seasonal eating a cornerstone of your dietary choices to experience the full spectrum of well-being. Let's take action together by incorporating more seasonal foods into our daily meals, promoting not just our own health, but also the sustainability of our planet.